Tim Moore here with TLC Floor Care, and we are here extracting the carpets. We're almost done on the second floor. But when we're here doing first floor a mattress, they said something about there was a mattress on the second floor. So this is the mattress. Was able to get the stains out. My estimate, because of the location, they were probably blood, not feces, because the location was like way up here and right there, which tend to indicate blood. But strong spray, extracting, started disappearing it, but I could see it was starting to slowly come back as it dried a few seconds. So I came in with a hydrogen peroxide post-treat, which will attack the stain, disappear stain. Look good. Another successful job. As we're getting one thing done, we get another thing done. TLC Floor Care.